you must have some favorite and least favorite aspects of game design, which is what Henry wants to know about.
Yes. So my favorite, I think if you ask this question to 100 game designers, 99 of them would say it's seeing other people play the game. And that is obviously is really, really special. But for me personally, with this being like my first game, and it was actually when I got the art back for the first time, because to me, that's when it felt like it went from just being some cards like you just showed us earlier there, Devon, to like, wow, this is actually happening, you know, and it looked better than I could have ever hoped for as well. So that was pretty magical for me in terms of the journey I was on. The least favorite would be receiving negative feedback. You know, I think that stands to reason. You pour your heart and soul into creating whatever game it is you're working on. And then, you know, it will happen because you're never going to get it right first time. But when inevitably you get negative feedback, it's tough to take, you know. But I should say, and I want to say that is possibly the most important part of the process. And so recognize that, you know, you can't end up with a finished game without making mistakes along the way. It's just about testing them and then responding to that negative feedback, so, you know, to address them. So so if you change the way you look at it, you can actually start to see those things as being positive as well.